Alrighty, this is the worked out solutions for midterm review number 2. So the first one says write the equation of the line. So every time you see equation of the line, you should think y equals mx plus b. So we need an m and we need a b. So our b is our y-intercept. So right there, that's at -2. And our slope is rise over run. That's our m value. So we're going to go up 2 and over 3. So our slope is 2 over 3. So if we're asked to write the equation of the line, it's going to be y equals 2/3 x minus 2, or if you want to put plus -2, you can. For this one right here, our y-intercept is 3. We begin with 3 when we're graphing, but I can also get it right from there. And then for this slope, we're going downhill, and it looks like we're going down 3 and right 3. So that would be -3 over 3, which equals -1. So the line would be y equals -1x plus 3, but in proper math form, we don't have to write the 1, so you can just write -x plus 3. Alrighty, next we're asked to graph each line. So again, you need your slope and your y-intercept. So slope is -4, and I'm going to write it as a fraction, -4 over 1, and the y-intercept is 6. So I'm going to go up to 6, which is where I'm going to begin because it starts with b. And then I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1. And that's going to be my line. And then for this one right here, my slope is 1/3, and my y-intercept is -1, straight from the equation because we're solved for y. So then we're going to go to -1, and we're going to go up 1 over 3. And once you have 2 points, you can make that line. For C right here, we notice that it is not in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form gets it equal to y. So I'm going to take that equation over here, and I'm going to make solve for y. So I would need to get the 4x onto the other side. So I do that by subtracting. So I have -2y equals -4x minus 8. And then I'm going to divide everything by -2, and I get y equals 2x plus 4, because the negative divided by a negative is positive. So m and b, so 2 over 1 and 4, begin at 4, and then go up 2 and to the right 1. So we should be going uphill because it's positive slope. For this one, we don't have a y equals, we only have an x equals. So x equals -5 right here, but this is a line, and it's going to be a vertical line through x equals 5, -5. Okay, for number 3, it says use the graph below to answer the following questions. Find the slope of the line. So when you want to do that, I would just pick 2 nice and easy points, maybe like these 2 right here. They need to cross on an intersection of the boxes or the corner of a box. So find the slope. It's going downhill, so it's going to be down 2 and then over 1. So the slope would be -2. The y-intercept is right there. That's 0, 3. And then it says write the equation of the line. So it was very similar to question 1. Y equals -2x plus 3. Alright, -2. Just crossing off these answers here. Alrighty, so next we have these guys right here, and it says write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So write an equation, y equals mx plus b. With the given slope and a given point. So what you're going to want to do when you're given a slope and a point is extend your chart to include x and y. So the slope is -4, and the x coordinate is -3, and the y coordinate is 7. So if we set up our equation, the only thing we don't know is b, but we can find it by plugging in all these values. So m goes in for m, x goes in for x, and then we just need to make sure we follow order of operations. Negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. I'm trying to get the b by itself, so I'm going to subtract 12, and I get b equals negative 5. So now I have the two pieces I need to write the equation of a line, y equals negative 4x minus 5. And that is down there. This one right here says to write the equation of a line that passes through these 2 points. So in order to do that, we're going to need to use our slope formula. And then again, because it says write the equation of the line, and we're given a point, and this is how I know to extend my chart, is when I'm given a point. I'm given 2 points. You could pick either one. I like the one without negative, so I'm going to pick that one. But then we're going to do the slope formula first so that we can find m, and then we're going to do what we did up here so we can find b. So to find m, take this point and rotate it. So I'm going to put the negative 7 over the 4. Take this point and rotate it. So I'm going to put the 3 over the 6. The order, if you want to put this one first and this one second, that's fine. You can also do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Both methods work. So this is going to be negative 10 over negative 2, which is positive 5. So that goes here. So then I have y equals mx plus b. And that means that I have 3 equals 5 times 6, oops, no x, plus b, the x is coming from here, so 3 equals 30 plus b, subtract 30, so b equals negative 27, so the equation is going to come from here, y equals 5x minus 27. And that's it.